Hello everyone, I'm Sadek, the founder of EzyCourse. Welcome to the complete membership website building A to Z masterclass. In this series, I will be guiding you to create, launch and grow your complete membership website from zero. Whether you are building for individual users or B2B clients, this masterclass course will cover everything that you need to know to launch a successful membership website. From the very basic to the advanced, this course will cover everything. So let's get started. In this series, we will cover website building, optimizing, and settings, creating different types of products with checkout, connecting payment methods such as Stripe, PayPal, etc., email marketing and sales, lead magnet and finance, automation and sequences, SEO blogging and Google tools such as Webmaster Tools, Google Analytics, and so on. We will also learn different settings inside EzyCourse so that we can set up our whole website. We will also show you nice to have add-ons and will help us and how to use them. And as a bonus, we will be learning how to get traffic organically and with paid advertisement. And we will be adding additional topics along the way. The whole concept of EzyCourse can be broken down into 4 simple parts. Number 1, your website or web pages where everything lives. Products. This include your courses, coaching, communities, events, and a lot more. The great thing is checkout is also handled automatically for you. The third one is marketing and leads. We will be covering all the tools you need to grow your audience and sales. And the last is settings. The rest of the things inside EzyCourse you can see as a settings. Everything else like site settings, email settings, deals, coupons. So everything are just settings. Thank you for watching. In the next tutorial, we will be learning website building, optimizing, and settings. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Do not forget to click on subscribe and the bell notification icon.